Hi, it's Chiropractical Solutions here. What we're going to talk about today is different types of treatments with using chiropractic care for neck pain, headaches, sinus problems, and ear pain. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give us a call. You can call us at 773-270-1155, or you can click on one of the links, schedule an appointment, or contact us. We are at ChicagoMassageChiropractor.com. That's ChicagoMassageChiropractor.com. Now, on to what we're going to talk about today. So the first thing we're going to talk about is nasal and sinus pain and headaches. They can be very painful and really uncomfortable conditions for many people. And also many people do not realize that chiropractic care can be effective in treating and eliminating many types of headaches and sinus pain. Now, for more than 10 years, Dr. Jeremy Weiss and his team at Chiropractical Solutions have been successfully resolving pain associated with the neck, the sinuses, and headaches for patients of all ages, obviously without using prescription drugs or surgery. Now, there's many different causes for these things, so the most important thing is to get a proper evaluation, examination to see if it's something that you qualify for. Everyone's going to be different. There's many different causes, but all of it is also related to the nerves. So if there's problems with the neck and upper back, that can relate to the nerves that go into the sinuses, ears, the head. All right, so please give us a call at 773-270-1155 if you want to schedule an appointment, or you can go to our website and email us. Really it's important to get a complete and thorough examination, and we may be able to provide you the help that you're searching for. Next, talk a little bit about a really strange origin of chiropractic care. Most people don't know about this. The chiropractic care has a very strange origin, which is restoring hearing loss. And this is a true story. Now, many people associate chiropractic care exclusively with the treatment of back pain. Now, chiropractic can certainly help with many types of back pain, and it does, and it is really effective for that. But its origins actually come from restoring hearing loss. Now, in 1895, Dr. Daniel Palmer met a janitor who worked in his downtown Davenport, Iowa office, and his name was Harvey Lillard. Mr. Lillard had lost a substantial amount of his hearing 17 years earlier and was almost totally deaf. Okay, after conducting an examination, Dr. Palmer noticed that Mr. Lillard's deafness may be a result of the damage to his spine from years ago, because he evaluated his alignment of his neck and found it to be off-centered, misaligned, and fixated. So after a series of chiropractic adjustments and treatments, the alignment of Mr. Lillard's vertebra, Dr. Palmer helped restore the body and nerves to proper function, which then helped restore Mr. Lillard's hearing. So chiropractic care is about keeping the entire body working properly, not just your back, because the nerves control everything in the body. So at Chiropractical Solutions, we help people with everything from headache pain, mid-back pain, low back pain, foot pain, everything in between. Okay. Now, the next thing is, Chiropractical Solutions could be your first stop for earaches and ear infections. Again, this may sound a little far-fetched to some people, but there's direct connections from the nerve, from the neck, to these areas. Problems with the ears can be extremely painful, especially for children. In fact, there's 10 million new cases of ear infections each year in babies and young children. So earaches, ear infections, they can develop into chronic problems. Now, medical doctors, what they'll typically do is they'll prescribe antibiotics for treatment of the ear infections. Now, what you have to think about are typically it can be ineffective with the cause of the problem, because a lot of ear infections are viral in nature. So when they given antibiotics, they're not going to help unless it's a bacterial infection. So when antibiotics fail and ear pain persists, surgery can be the next step sometimes, and they have to insert those ear tubes. So basically, we have helped a lot of children, and adults with earaches and ear infections. Again, it depends on the true nature and cause if it's something that can be helped and prevented. All right. The next thing we talk about is stopping sinus pain. Again, we go into a lot of things about affecting the nerves, helping those function properly, which go into the sinuses of the face, and also these same nerves go into the head. So it can help with different conditions that relate to the head and the neck. All right. For any questions, you can go to ChicagoMassageChiropractor.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon.